Today's request is actually for Sebastian, so thank you so much for the request, Sebastian. And you know what? You've asked if I can show you how to make jam donuts. Wow, jam, so you want a lot of jam? Okay, so look, I'll be honest with you. I've been looking at making jam donuts for a while. So what's actually happened here is my tush has actually been kicked into action a little bit and say, right, this is how you make it when. I was like, oh, so this is going to be quite exciting. One, because we're going to get to taste it. Two, if I botch it up. And three, it's like, I'm going to share these out. So it's actually great and I'll learn from this. So we'll see how easy or hard it is. So I'll be back shortly to show you what to do once I've got the ingredients. So we add the sugar, salt, egg. And what we do is just whisk that up. Oh, the guys are really looking forward to these donuts. We add the flour, the yeast, and warm milk. Now we just stir that with a spoon, just so it's mixed quite well. What we'll do is just cover them and just let it sit there for about an hour, and then we'll come back for the next step. Okay, so let's have a look. Beautiful. All right, let's take this over to the heated oil. It's heating in the pan now. So what I've done in the meantime, I've got a bowl ready with some sugar in there. The oil's nice and hot. I've just got a little bit of batter on the spoon. I'm just gonna see how it's sizzling. So that's actually ready now. What I've done is I've scooped the mixture into a spoon and just pop that in there. There we go. And you can get another one ready and pop that in. There you go, look at that. So I'm going to take that one out. And the excess oil, get off. There's the bowl there with the sugar, so I'm going to actually pop it in there and just roll it around into the sugar. And there you go. Just turn that around. Now you can use cinnamon sugar if you like as well. You don't have to just use normal white sugar. There we go. I'm just going to get this one out because that one's ready. Into the sugar, just roll it around with the sugar. There we go. Just turn that around. It's ready. Let's pop that one out. Straight into the bowl with the sugar. Now I'm actually going to fill these with jam. Okay, so here's my jam. This is where the fun begins. So I'm just going to test it. Oh, look at that, it's coming out. See that? Beautiful. So I'm going to get a donut, push in, and just give it a bit of a squeeze. We have a jam donut. Next one, straight in. Squeeze it in there. Beautiful. Just put a little bit more. There we go. Look at that. Next one. Straight in. Oh, God, I can feel that one goes straight in. Oh, probably put too much in that one. That's all good. It's like going to the market all over again. It says stick a hole in, push it in. That's it. Probably not too much. Now I probably would recommend one thing, and that would be to heat up the jam as well, so you've got nice hot jam inside your donut. So push it in. Oh yeah, look at that baby. Beautiful. Here are my hot jam donuts. Thank you so much, Sebastian, for the request. Now off to taste testing.
Thank you.
Don't find if I do. That's good, Mum. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. All right, guys, my hot jam donuts. We're having accidents here.
Maybe play.
Hope you enjoy. Okay,
Yeah.
bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.